Hey guys, short video today. Just a couple of things to do. One new word for you, and then a couple of examples for some of the IXLs. Just want to look at one more thing that you're going to see on a circle in the IXL. We won't deal with it in what we're doing. You'll deal with it when you get to high school geometry. But that's this word. That word is not chord. That word is chord. You pronounce it just like it was C-O-R-D, but it's spelled C-H-O-R-D. A chord is a line that connects 2 points on the circle. A chord does not have to go through the center. In fact, a chord probably won't go through the center. A diameter technically is a chord, but it's a very specific chord because it goes through that center point. So a diameter is a very specific chord, kind of like a square is a specific rectangle, along those lines. A chord just goes from one point on the side to another point on the side and doesn't have to go through the center. So a line that goes through the circle from side to side, not through the center point, is called a chord. You'll see that on one of the IXLs. You won't do anything with it. Just need to let you know what that word is so you can see it. You know the word diameter. You know the word radius. You know the center point. That's going to be all in this IXL. So you have 3 IXLs today. One of them is a basic one. Look, here you go. From U to V. From U to V. What is that? Well, it's a line that goes across a circle. It's not the center. Center is a point. And does that go through the center point? Nope. So it's not a diameter. So there's an example of a chord. Okay, that's a pretty easy one. The parts of a circle. You have another one's about radius and area and circumference. Just make sure you're using the right formula. We'll talk about those in a second. The last one is area and perimeter of semicircles and quarter circles. Kind of like that con where it's not a whole circle, but now you're not finding the area of it, you're finding the perimeter sometimes. So the radius of a quarter circle is 3 yards. There, they label it right there, 3-yard radius. They want to know what the quarter circle's perimeter is. Well, perimeter means you have to add up all the sides. Well, this quarter circle has one straight side here, that's 3. One straight side here, well, that's another radius, because anytime you go from the center to the edge, it's the same distance. So that means that this is also 3. And you have this quarter of the circumference. So I need to find the circumference of that circle and then cut it into a quarter or divide it by 4. So circumference is equal to, there's 2 different formulas. One uses radius, one uses diameter. Well, this problem gives me radius, so I'll use the 2 times pi times radius formula. You can use either formula depending on whether you're given a radius or given a diameter. So that'll be 2 times 3.14 for pi. They even tell you right in the problem. Use 3.14 for pi times the radius, which is 3. Do some quick calculations here. 2 times 3.14 times 3 is equal to 18.84. But that's the circumference of an entire circle. We don't have an entire circle. We only have a quarter of a circle. So we're going to take this and we're going to divide it by 4. Because that's going to give me what a quarter of it is. So divide by 4 gives me 4.71. This curved side is 4.71. So now to find the perimeter, add up all the sides. 4.71 plus 3 plus 3. That'll give me a grand total of 10.71 yards. That's your task today. Have fun.